So, hello everyone. Welcome to today live streaming of SolidWorks. Today, you are going to explore more features that are available in Boss Extrude of SolidWorks. We will explore the front conditions of extrude as well as the end conditions. Beside this, we will make extrude with draft and also use thin feature that is also available in the boss extrude feature, and also we will explore what are the sketch contours. So let's start our study now. First of all, we make this simple rectangle. We can make it a simple block. Just delete this one and add equal relations in order to make a simple square, and dia of this square is and length of this square is 50 millimeter. Now exit from sketch and make a simple extrude that has a depth of 10 millimeter. We can change the depth to 50 millimeter. Okay. Now again make a sketch on the front plane. Make a simple circle of diameter that is 45. Now exit from sketch. Now our first will make extrude that will be start offset from this sketch plane, because you can see that this sketch 2 has been made on this right plane. If we show the right plane, just keep this sketch selected and go to the extrude, and from here select the offset option, then define the offset distance that is 100. That extrude will be start that is 100 millimeter away from the sketch plane, and here you can define the depth of extrusion that is 50. So in this way we used extrude from offset conditions. Here we will join this face as well as this circular face using the loft tool. Just go to the loft and select this face as well as this face. Okay. Now make a simple shell with thickness of 5 millimeter and select these faces to remove and make and opens. You can see we have make a simple part using extrude offset conditions as well as using shell features and the loft one. And if you have any query, you can ask me in the question answer sections. and please make a practice of this. Now save your work, and after that we will go to another other section, that is offset from a surface, that is the extrude and conditions. Just make a folder here, and save your part, then make a new part. Again go to the right plane and sketch on this plane. Again sketch a centered rectangle, make this equal. You can define a specific length of this square, that is 90 millimeter. Now extrude this sketch, that is 10 millimeter. You can see this part 2 has only one body, that is here, that is this body. Now we will make a linear pattern of this body. Just keep this body selected and go to the linear pattern. From here you have to select the direction of pattern, that is this one. Go to the bodies and select this body, and enter the spacing, that is 100 or 150. Okay, you can see this part has two bodies, this one and this one. We created this body as pattern, making pattern of the first body, that was the linear pattern. Please note that there are difference between the pattern of features and pattern of bodies. If we go to the pattern, you can see this has both options, that features or faces to patterns, or either you want to make the bodies to pattern. So in this linear pattern we make pattern of a body, not of a feature. Now go to the right plane and make a simple square on this plane. Add dimension to this square, that is 60 millimeter. Okay, we want to extrude this circle that is offset from this face. So we will use extrude and conditions. Just make this circle selected and go to the extrude. Now go to the direction 1, and here you have to select the offset from surface. Then select this face. You can see a distance between this face and the end of this circle is 10 millimeter. You can increase this distance, that is 20 millimeter. Here is the 30 millimeter. This is the offset from surface option. Okay. Again go to the right plane and again make a simple circle. with dia of 30 millimeter. Now you have to cut this circle from this body. Just keep this sketch 3 selected and go to the extrude. From here, from condition, select the surface options. So we want to start extrude cut from this face and change the directions and make through all. You can see also we have sketch on this face, but we make extrude cut on this face using extrude cut from conditions. Again go to this sketch 3 and make a extrude boss extrude. Again select the from surface or plane. Now we want to make the extrude on this face from this face, and here you have to select the up to body, sorry, not mid plane, up to surface. We want to extrude this circle that is being started from this face or surface up to this one. Here we will add the thickness to this circle. Check the thin feature and thickness is 5 millimeter. Okay, you can see we have make another feature here. Again select this one, sketch 3, and go to the extrude cut through all. Change the directions. So we make extrude cut through all. In this way, in this making this part, you learn how we can make extrude offset from this face, and also extrude, we make the extrude from this face, then make a extrude cut from here, then extrude through alls. So I hope you have clear understanding of using extrude offset and extrude from surface options, and from and end conditions of extrude features, and you also learn how we can use extrude as a thin feature. If you have any query, welcome to my live streaming. So let me know how you will how or when you will you will use extrude thin feature. Now just save your part. This was first part, and this is the second part. Just save all. This is the part 2. Now again we will make a extrude with draft options. Here, just make a sketch on the right plane and just draw a hexagon. You can support our channel from super chats. Our channel is trying to deliver a quality of content on SolidWorks. We are always here to support you, to make you expert in using SolidWorks. You can also join our course of SolidWorks on Udemy. Link is given in the description. Okay, we have make a simple hexagon on the right plane. Just make a extrude, then extrude about mid plane, and thickness of extrusion is 100. Just show your sketch. Then keep this sketch selected. Go to the extrude and select the blend options. From here, you have to select the surface or plane. Select this face and change or flip the directions. Now go to the draft options. Switch on the draft, draft outward, then increase the draft angle. That is 8 degree. Okay. So we make a extrude hexagon that was sketched on this right plane but started from this face and extrude up to here with the draft angle. Again, select this sketch, or we can pattern these features. Just go to the linear pattern. Here select the mirror option. You have to define the mirror plane. That is the right one. Okay. Sorry. You have to select the geometry pattern. So we make this part with a single sketch of a hexagon. Now also you can use the shell feature to add thickness, that is 5 mm, and remove these end faces. So in this way we make this part with a simple extrude with draft options. If you have any query, you can make a practice. Please ask your queries or questions in comment box, and please be in touch with this live streamings, because we have some other options that how we can work with the multi bodies and how we can make a pattern of multi bodies, then how we can perform a specific extrude feature on a specific bodies, and upcomings more are that how we can make extrude using us in a specific directions. So please be in touch in this live streamings. You will learn a lot, and also give us support by your super chat to this channel. So just keep this part saved and make a new part. Okay, now we are going to make a pattern of a multi-bodies. Then make a cut to a specific body. Just make a simple square using the center rectangle on the right plane. Add the equal relations. Then add the dimensions and make a simple extrude that has a depth of 10 mm. Now we will make a pattern of this single body. Just go to the linear pattern. From here you have to define the direction of pattern. Select this edge that is aligned with x-axis. From here you have to check the bodies and select the bodies to be patterns. So select this body. Now flip the direction of pattern and change the spacing between two consecutive bodies. That is 70, and number of bodies spacing is 80, and number of bodies are 5. You can see here number of bodies are 5. Now again go to the right plane and make a sketch on this plane and draw a simple circle starting from origin with diameter of 60 mm. Exit from sketch now. So here we have to want to make a extrude cut. One option is that just keep this circle selected and make extrude cut through all. This is a simple option. But you want to make extrude cut through second body and through fourth bodies. And you don't want to make extrude cut in first, third and fifth bodies. So how you will make these options? Again, go to this extrude cut feature, edit this feature. Here you can see that here is the feature scope options. That means you have to select the bodies where this feature should be applied. So select this one, clear this selection, select this bodies and this body. So this extrude cut feature will be applied on the bodies you select. Okay, here is a preview. You can see the preview option that there is no material remover on these first, second and third bodies. Okay. So in this way, we can make a feature specific to bodies. I hope you understand this concept of making feature specific to a specific bodies. So if you have any questions, You can ask me in the comment box. So let's start our the next session now. That is the extrude with specific directions. You can join our course on Udemy and also support our channel. Here again, just to delete this extrude cut feature and make a simple line on this front plane. Draw a line starting from this origin here and make a simple construction line, center line. Add an angle that is of 6 degree. Okay, exit from sketch now. So what we will do, as in the previous, we can, if we make a extrude cut of this sketch 2, it will be normal to these faces. But our goal is to make extrude cut that is aligned with this line. How that is possible? So in order to do that, just keep this circle selected and go to the extrude. That is extrude through all reverse directions. That will make extrude just simple. Here you can see the direction of extrusion. Click here. Now select this line. Okay, you can see the direction preview of this extrude cut. Okay. So in this way, we make a boss extrude or cut extrude in a specific directions. We make sketch a line that define the direction of extrusion. I hope you understand this advanced concept of SolidWorks. Okay. Again, I am asking, if you have any query, you can ask me on this topic. Or if you have any suggestions, you can ask us. Now, next topic is making a thin extrude. Just select this one, this circle, and go to the extrude. And from here, you have to define the direction of extrusion, that is along this line. And here is up to surface is the blind option. Change the depth of extrusion up to here. And uncheck the merge result. That will create a separate body. And here you have to check the thin feature, then reverse the directions, and thickness is 2 mm, 3 mm. You can see what happened. that this thickness, when we select this thin feature, the direction of extrusion is inactive. Why? If we check this one, clear this one, and again select this. This is okay. When we check the thin feature, you can see this become inactive. So that means we have to discheck this one, clear this sections line, again select this one, uncheck the merge result. Okay, you can see this is a specific bodies, a separate body, and make a specific color of this body. Okay, now again you will make the extrude cut. Just make a sketch on this face. Starting from origin. And dia is 52. Now go to the extrude cut, and here up to surface option, up to this surface, and click here the direction of extrusion, that is this line. So you can see how we keep this cylinder inclined to these squares. I hope you have cleared your concept about making extrude in a specific directions, and how I can make extra body by making uncheck the merge options in extrude. Okay, I think you are with me because my viewers are increasing now. And if you have any query, you can ask us in comment box. Okay, here is the option how you can that can you show the weldment. Yes. It is possible that if you can teach about weldment. Okay, we will teach you about weldment. And we'll make a new live stream on this topic. Okay. Please make your super chat here. Keep connected with this live streaming. Okay, now we are going to make a next, that is to how we can use the sketch contours. So just save your this work, that is the part 4. Close this one and make a new sketch again on the right plane. Here you will make the three circles and one hexagon, two circles and one hexagon. Add these relations, that is the horizontal, and add the dimensions, that is 5 millimeter, and this one is 8 millimeter, and this is 3.5. You can see, if you observe, that there are three shaded areas. This is more dark, this is less dark, and outer one is very less dark. That means how many number of loops are there? That means there are three number of loops. Normally it is a common understanding that a sketch with multi loops cannot be extruded, but it is wrong. Yes, we can extrude a sketch that has multi loops, as this sketch has three number of loops. How that is possible? That is possible using sketch contours. So just exit from sketch now. Okay, just keep this sketch selected, go to the extrude and clear this one. Now select this sketch and length is 10 millimeter. Show sketch this sketch. Again, keep this sketch selected and go to the extrude. From here, from the contours, clear these sections and select all these three loops. Then reverse the direction. Thickness is 3 millimeter. Okay. Again, keep this sketch selected and go to the extrude cut. Here you have to make extrude cut from surface, then select this face and then offset from surface, then select this face. Now go to the sketch contours, clear this one. Now select this hexagon You can see region 1 is selected, and the offset distance is 1 millimeter. That means this hexagon extrude cut will be start from this face and will be offset from this face 1 millimeter away from this face. Sorry, on this region you have also select this circle. You can see there are two regions. Okay. So you can see how we have make a bolt using extrude cut as well as simple extrude with different start and end conditions, and also using the sketch contours. I hope you enjoyed this sessions, and if you have any query you can ask us in comment box. You can join our course on Udemy. Thank you for watching this session. Here, here the poll. Can we extrude a single line sketch? So please give your answer. Can we extrude a single line sketch? Yes, this is a simple question. Can we extrude a single line sketch? If yes, then how? And if no, then why? What is benefit of using sketch pen tools?